Bautista here and welcome back to my show. Today I'm gonna start a new series of videos here in my channel, and that's gonna be Tokyo Instagram spots. And these videos are gonna be short guides of some areas in Tokyo that you can take some shots for your Instagram or during your travels, walking around that area in less than 2 hours. So turn on the volume and I hope you enjoy watching this short guide of Shinjuku. Now let's do this.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down.
Okay, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and got some ideas if you come around by Shinjuku to take some of those sweet Instagram shots for your account. And as always, remember to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next one. Fins aviat! Bon track. Now, today I'm gonna start a new, and that's gonna be Bon dia, Josep Bautista here, I'm back, and we're gonna start and so